Want to record hands-free? In style? Whether you're vlogging, biking, skiing, or just living life, these camera glasses in 2025 are smarter, sharper, and cooler than ever. Stay tuned. We'll show you the best options to capture your world from your own eyes. Hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses combine classic style with modern functionality. Built in partnership with Meta, they feature dual 12-megapixel front-facing cameras for hands-free photo and video capture. Now, there's no AR here, but the glasses make it easy to share content directly to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, and Threads. They also deliver excellent audio quality for music, calls, and voice assistant access, thanks to 5 built-in microphones and open-ear speakers. Battery life? Up to 6 hours depending on usage, and they recharge in the included case. Design options? Choose the unisex Wayfarer, the smaller Skylar, or the wider Headliner. All offer the same camera and audio tech. If you want sleek sunglasses with smart features and seamless social sharing, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses offer a stylish and practical solution. Number 2. OhO Sunshine 1080p Camera Glasses. The OhO camera glasses are a budget-friendly option for those curious about wearable cameras. They advertise a 24-megapixel sensor, but photo quality? Still a bit underwhelming. That said, video is where they shine. Footage is perfectly watchable, similar to what you'd expect from a basic dash cam. Ideal for casual use or capturing on-the-go moments, hands-free. Design-wise, they lack the polish of pricier models like the Ray-Bans, but for a fraction of the cost, they're surprisingly sturdy and reasonably stylish. They come with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory and charge via USB-C, so no hidden extras. Control is handled with a single button on the arm, but it's a bit too easy to press accidentally, which can interrupt recordings. Still, for the price, they're a fun, while hand-functional novelty. Number 3. OhO Smart Camera Glasses 4K Pro. If you're after camera sunglasses that blend in, I think without drawing attention, this model offers a discrete option with decent performance. A single camera mounted above the nose captures H.265 video. 4K is limited to 30 frames per second, but you can switch to lower resolutions for 60 frames per second. Now, changing settings isn't exactly user-friendly. You'll need to edit a config file using a laptop. No app included. Storage varies from 32 to 256 gigabytes. With the latter, you could store up to 17 hours of footage. But keep in mind, the battery only lasts about 30 minutes of continuous recording. You'll get roughly an hour of usable footage per charge. Video quality is good, but high-action clips may need some post-edit stabilization. They've got basic water resistance, but don't take them swimming. Number 4. iVue, the Glide. Camera glasses work best when they're simple, and the iVue Glide gets that right. Just one button controls everything. Tap to start recording, tap again to stop. Easy. It comes with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you won't need to fuss with memory cards. Weighing only 46 grams, they're the lightest on this list. They also include swappable lenses, tinted sunglasses, or clear polarized options. A small light above the bridge lets you know when it's recording. You can shoot 24 megapixel stills and 1080p video, which is interestingly not available on iVue's newer, pricier Denali model. There's no app, but transferring footage is easy over USB-C. A great plug-and-play option for casual use. Number 5. OhO 4K Ski Goggles. It's a niche product, but ski goggles with a built-in camera, they actually make a lot of sense. No straps, no bulky mounts. and the lens sits right at eye level. OhO, known for budget-friendly camera glasses, brings the same tech to these goggles. You get a 70-degree field of view. A bit narrow for fast-action sports, but the tiltable lens helps you capture the right perspective, if you remember to adjust it. By default, it records smooth 1080p at 60 frames per second, but you can bump it to 4K at 24 frames per second if you're comfortable editing a config file via USB. Opt for the Wi-Fi version, and you can preview your shots through a companion app. All in all, a handy integrated option for slope lovers. So, which one's the best? For all-day wear, stunning video, and smart features. Ray-Ban Meta. Smart glasses take the crown in 2025. They blend fashion, bata, and function perfectly. Let us know your favorite in the comments.